Today on Thai Caliente, we're making baked salsa chicken tacos.
Hi everyone, I'm Renee Fuentes and welcome back to my channel, Thai Caliente. I'm here with my daughter.
My name is Eva.
Eva, say that.
My name is Eva.
Eva, and tell everyone how old you are.
4.
She's 4 years old, and today she's going to be my little kitchen helper, and we are making a crunchy salsa chicken tacos. So the chicken is made in the Instant Pot, so I'm going to first do that, and then I'm going to show you how to assemble the crunchy tacos. Are you ready to get started? All right, what do we want to tell them? Don't forget to
Subscribe Mama channel.
subscribe to that channel, Thai Caliente, and be sure to hit the like button. Let's get started.
Start off by adding 1 cup of your favorite salsa into the Instant Pot. I'm just using a mild red salsa, and then add your chicken breasts. Mine had just thawed, so they're still a little bit slightly frozen, and then we're just going to season it with some salt and pepper all over on top of the chicken breasts. Go ahead and place the lid on the Instant Pot and make sure the valve is on sealing, and I'm going to set my timer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, go ahead and release the steam. I like to do this over my kitchen hood. And remove the lid and just go ahead and shred the chicken directly into the pot. So there should be enough liquid where once the chicken is shredded, it absorbs it nicely.
Salsa chicken is all done, and I have it here in a bowl. And then these are just crunchy taco shells, and I've just arranged them into a 9x13 casserole dish. Hold on. So let's see, we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 this way, and then we have 2 on the sides and 2 on the sides. So there's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 total. There's some math for you guys. Okay, so the first layer that we're gonna put is some creamy beans. So you can do, we're just gonna leave them in here so that way they don't fall apart. So you can either do canned refried beans, or these are my homemade beans. My kids like them really creamy, so I blitz these in the blender. And then we're just going to add a layer of beans right in there.
Yeah. Make sure it don't fall off on another taco.
Yeah, make sure we don't put them off on another taco. Okay, and we're gonna have to make this part a little bit faster.
I do it by myself.
Okay. Good job, Eva. All right, so we have all the beans inside our tortillas. I almost fell down.
Yeah.
So all the tortillas are filled with beans. And what's next?
Oh, cheese.
The chicken.
Oh, chicken. I love chicken.
Now this looks spicy, but it's just a mild salsa, so Eva can eat it too, right? Huh?
But is it spicy?
Nope.
Oh.
You want to try a piece?
Yeah.
How is it?
Good.
Good?
Well, it tastes a little spicy.
A little spicy? But you like it, right? And you can cool it down with a piece of cheese.
Yeah.
How's that?
Not that spicy.
That's not that spicy?
It's just a little spicy.
Okay. Okay, so now we have all of our taco shells filled with beans and salsa chicken. Now we're gonna top it with cheese. Here, come over here. So Danny and I don't eat cheese, so I came up with a substitution.
No.
So we're just gonna do these tacos with cheese. So I made my vegan cashew queso. Don't eat all the cheese.
I just ate 2.
My vegan cashew queso, and I'm going to just put this on the tacos that are for Danny and I. So that way when it bakes, it still kind of has that cheesiness. Look, over here.
Oh. I should put
Just put these two.
I put a little cheese for you.
Okay.
I just put a little cheese for Mom and Dad.
Okay, but we don't need any cheese, remember? You gotta stop eating the cheese. You gotta keep putting them on there.
What's this?
Okay, keep going. I'm beating you. No. Yeah, put that one and that one.
So, D2.
So the reason why we put it in the 9x13 casserole dish is it makes it a lot easier to fill because they're already standing up.
I really like cheese.
You really like cheese?
Only when it's cheesy. I took that little
Okay,
piece.
I'm gonna finish this up for you.
All right, so these are the tacos with shredded cheese, and then these are the ones with the vegan cashew queso. So now we're just going to put these in a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes, just until all the cheese is melted and the tortilla, the crunchy taco shells are warmed through. So the tacos are done out of the oven. They're nice and hot.
Time for the ultimate taste test. So you can also serve these with shredded lettuce, tomato, sour cream, guacamole, but Eva likes it just like this. So I already blew on it for you. Take a bite right here.
I'm not good.
What do you think? Good? 1 or 2 thumbs up? 2? All right, there you have it. So our baked crunchy salsa chicken tacos. Your family will love them too. As you can see, they make quite a few in one batch. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and tune in next time. Bye.
I eat the whole thing.
And say bye.
Bye guys. Thanks for watching Mama channel. I hope you subscribe it.
Thumbs down?
No, thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Okay, you want more?
Yeah. The whole thing.
Good?
This is so good. How?